Hey guys, this is an unboxing for the Zen blanket by Onerva. It's a infrared sauna, and I just pulled it out of this bigger box here, and this is what the case is like. So it has these handles up top and zippers, so it is pretty compact considering it's a sauna. So let's see here. We've got the zippers. Just unzip it. And then we've got looks like the sauna itself. The sauna bag. Oh yeah. You can see the arm zippers here. The Zen blanket. I like the name a lot. So let's see what else we have in here. This says emergency blanket, so it's like a foil blanket, and it did come with this instruction manual so we can understand what all these things are for. Let's see how to use your blanket, all of that. Well, let me pull this stuff apart here. Whoa, a whole bunch of these blankets came out. So we get quite a few of these, which I'm assuming helps with the heat. And then, so this is the main blanket. And these are the cords, controller, Zen blanket, temperature, time, on, off, plugs in. Really nice, long, durable cord. And the blanket itself feels really thick. So it feels like very, very durable and insulated. And then this here is like a fleece blanket. It also says Zen blanket on here. Let's just take this out. Yeah, it feels like very sweat absorbing. It's like a thin absorbent fleece. So I'm assuming that that's great for cleanup time. So when you sweat in there, you can just take this and put it in the washing machine, and it feels like it will absorb the sweat, and also the color is really good. It's like a dark blue, like a dark grayish blue. It's more just like a navy. And yeah, this is going to withstand staining pretty well. So yeah, that's what comes in here. And it does fold back into its case pretty easily. Let me just open this all the way up for you to see it. It's kind of hard to capture the whole thing. Big. That's where your head would go. Right there. Well, that's where my head will go, because I'm going to test this out and then do a full review of the product. But I'm just so excited. I'm gonna have to read the instruction manual, but yeah, these are some really good quality pieces. So that's what you get, and I think it's super exciting.